In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a tax form in TurboTax. Maybe you imported a document twice, started the wrong form by accident, or you just want to clean up your return. Deleting the form directly is quick and helps prevent calculation errors and confusing follow-up questions. I'll walk you through the exact path, explain what you'll see on each screen, and share a few tips to keep everything tidy and accurate. Start by opening your return so you can see the main workspace. On the left side of the screen, look for the Tax Tools area. This is the section that gives you access to behind-the-scenes options for your return. Click Tax Tools to expand it. If your window is narrow, you may see icons instead of words. Hover or expand the menu until you can select Tax Tools confidently. Next, choose Tools. This opens a small toolbox window that includes maintenance options for your return. Don't worry, nothing changes just by opening this panel. You're simply stepping into the place where forms and worksheets can be viewed and managed. From the toolbox, select Delete a Form. This brings up a complete list of the forms and worksheets currently included in your return. You'll see items like W-2s, 1099s, schedules, and supporting worksheets. Take a moment here to scan the list and identify the exact form that's causing issues, such as a duplicate W-2 or an outdated 1099. If you're unsure, look at the description and any identifying details to make sure you're targeting the right one. Once you've located the correct form, select it and click the trash icon next to it. TurboTax will remove the selected form along with its entries. If a form is connected to other sections, deleting it may also clear related worksheets, which is often what you want when fixing a duplicate or a mistake. Be precise here. Choose only the form you genuinely intend to remove so you don't accidentally erase information you still need. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes, Delete to finalize the removal. This is your safety check, and after you confirm, the form will be taken out of your return. If you change your mind later, you can re-enter the information by returning to that section and adding the form again. After the deletion, review your income and deduction screens to make sure everything looks right and that the duplicate or incorrect entry is truly gone. That's it. Your return should now be cleaner and your calculations more accurate.